Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete notes in Google Keep in 2026. Deleting notes is very easy, and Google Keep also gives you the option to restore deleted notes before they are permanently removed. So let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and select the note you want to delete. Open the note and click the More Options menu, which is the three-dot icon at the bottom of the note. From the menu, click Delete Note. The note will immediately disappear from your main notes page and move to the trash section. To view deleted notes, click Trash from the left sidebar. Here you'll find all the notes that have been deleted recently. If you deleted a note by mistake, open the note and click Restore. The note will return to your main notes page instantly. If you no longer need the note, you can leave it in trash or permanently delete it from the trash section. That's how to delete notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.